and welcome to the Speed Edition. This episode is about my experience in getting Pure 600 turbos installed on my N54 powered BMW 135i. If you're thinking about getting hybrid turbos installed on your car, you should find this video very informative. And please, don't forget to subscribe. Now, I love my car. I love its compact size, I love its relatively lightweight, but most of all, I love the fact that it has a 3-litre twin turbocharged engine. After a couple of years of driving the car with stock turbos and full bolt-ons, I got a little bit bored. It just wasn't as fun as it used to be. I thought of upgrading to an F80 M3, but I didn't want to get into a ton of debt. And we all know how capable these little cars are. So I researched the available aftermarket turbos available for my car and decided to go for aftermarket twins. A single turbo would have been awesome, but because I have an automatic transmission which can't take much more than 600 wheel horsepower, I decided to go for aftermarket twins. Pure Turbos have an awesome reputation for reliability, so I decided to give their Pure 600s a shot. So I took my car into my local mechanics to get the work done. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm here at VRSF Motorworks in San Marcos, California. I'm here to get my Pure 600 turbos installed. I'm really excited about getting these turbos installed. The car's going to be making some great power. It's going to be really fun to drive. These are the Pure 600 turbos. I'm looking to make just under 600 wheel horsepower on these turbos. This is the Burger Motorsports transmission cooler. The main thing that kills these transmissions is the heat, so this will keep my transmission happy. This is a VRSF charge pipe and tile blow-off valve. These are VRSF stock location inlets to help make that big power. These are NGK 2-step Calder spark plugs. This is a Rodbeck PCV valve, and these are Eldor ignition coils, so hopefully with these spark plugs and coils there should be no misfires. Big thanks to VRSF Motorworks and Pure Turbos for making this happen. Can't wait to get the car on the dyno, can't wait to get these parts installed so I can really start enjoying the car. This is the Sport Performance Helix Extreme 4x high pressure fuel pump overdrive pump. This product basically spins the high pressure fuel pump to flow more fuel into the engine. It's an alternative to port injection, which requires an external port injection controller. So the beauty of this is that it's fully controlled by the car's DME. I also had the reinforced vacuum plate. There's been some reports of the vacuum plate failing, so this is a beefier plate which should just keep everything more robust. After about a day, my mechanic called me to say that my new turbos don't fit. So I called Pure Turbos and they told me that I needed to use the outlet and rear turbo return fluent line from the left-hand drive 335i. If you don't have a 335i, you should factor in these costs before buying the Pure 600s. I bought the Vargas Turbo N54 Aluminium outlet because it won't degrade like the silicone outlets and it flows better than stock, so it will produce even more power. After all the parts were installed and I got the car back, I contacted Ken at Wedge Performance for a custom tune. I couldn't recommend a better tuner for your car. Ken wrote all the off-the-shelf maps for the MHD tuning platform, so he's one of the best BMW tuners, period. Within 24 hours of ordering, I received a custom tune for my car that catered for my specific upgrade. I loaded the map onto my car with the MHD flasher application and started data logging. I logged a couple of third gear pulls and sent the logs over to Ken to check. As you can see, the car has been transformed into a complete animal. I'm in the process of ironing out a couple of boost leaks and fueling issues, but stay tuned, there's a complete review of the full driving experience coming soon.